I'm going to show you some medicinal plants that are growing wild in my yard. First, we're going to start with the evening primrose. Here she is. She starts out like this. You see her on the side of the road, which is leaves like this. And then all of a sudden, she'll have like a red bulb at the end. It's like red like that. And then all of these yellow flowers start to appear. This is evening primrose. Now this is good for acne, and it's really great for eczema. It actually helps with PMS too. So this is evening primrose. You'll know it when you see it. The leaves like this. Evening primrose. And that's what her flower looks like. So that's a great one, medicinal. Musk Mallow Aphrodisiac. This is a great one. They more or less use the seeds of this beauty. See the little seeds in there? They use that for medicine. This is great for bladders and any type of urinary tract infection. It's victory out. So my great mullein is looking a little frazzled because I dug her up on the side. And I brought her home and planted her, and she seems to be taking. I've done this for a few years in a row and they never take, but I brought like 4 back. I think they're going to be okay. I think she's going to be okay. So you know the great mullein by the leaf. It's very soft and fuzzy. And this first year is just leaf. Second year will produce a stalk like this. It'll get really tall, have yellow flowers all over it. So that is great mullein. Do we have here? Whew, okay, we got the red clover. Red clover for menopause. This has a natural estrogen built right into it. This is red clover. So this is great for menopause. I'm going to try to get down here in the backyard. So let's go, let's see. Let's go over to my white pine tree. The one that's in my yard. I have lots of other ones, but this one's nice and close right here. So the white pine tree. This is what people were using for COVID this winter because it's loaded with the vitamin C. So how you'll know the white pine, the needles grow in little groups. And when you pull the little group off, that, you count the needles, and it'll be 5. That's how you know that you've got white pine. It has 5 needles to the group. We got some ground elders down here. This is great for eczema. Daisies. Daisies are coming to the end. Here's a daisy. Oh, look how beautiful she is. And here is her leaf. She just has like a little thin leaf. Okay, a very thin leaf, and I'll take you over here to my chamomile. And you can see the difference between the chamomile and the daisy. It's my hothouse. So here's chamomile. Chamomile looks like the daisy, but the middle is like a button. It hasn't really, it's not sticking out yet because they're still little. But the middle piece will stick up like a button. And see how furry? All these furry leaves all over it. Very furry. And the daisy just has like a thin little tiny leaf. That's how you know the difference between daisies and chamomile. Let's go back here. I'm going to show you some things. Hiding spot back here. Love it. I'm wishing well. I don't wish for anything because actually I have everything that I'll ever need and more. So I don't wish at this well. I'm just gonna look at it because it's cute. Okay. Yummy. Berries in here. So we got the dwarf. Red blackberry. There it is, and how you'll know, I'm going to pick it, okay? No, I'm not going to pick I'm gonna pick and eat it. And I'll show you the leaf, so you'll know what to look for. 3 leaves. And that's a good identification, because right beside it is bunchberry. Bunchberry has a whole bunch of leaves, and this has a little bunch of berries. Now this is medicinal. This is a natural pectin in it, a pectin that we need in our body. So that's the difference. Both of those are survival food. If you're in the woods lost, again, let's take a little better peek. See if I can get a better one here. The dwarf berries. Here's one here. See how it looks? See the 3 leaves and the berry. That meeting. They taste so good. I even take the bottom part, the green part, and I eat that too. Very yummy. Oh, beautiful one to look at. Self-heal. Here is self-heal. And the reason why they call it self-heal is it heals about everything in the body. So you'll see it. It has this beautiful stalk-like stalk, and all these little flowers spreading out from the top from the stalk, like this thing, full of these little flowers. Then it has these 2 little leaves on each side, and then leaves that follow down. It's pretty easy to identify. Eat that. That heals everything. We got some white clover. White clover does a little bit, but I stick with the red clover because it holds more estrogen in it. What else did I get up here? I'm looking for some goldenrod. Pretty sure we have some goldenrod right up here. Self-heal. Look at how beautiful it is. It's just gorgeous. It's so pretty. Now, I don't know what these are, but I'm going to find out because I just noticed them now. So if anyone knows what this is, this plant, comment please, because I think I want to eat these berries, but I want to find out what they are first. And now that I'm looking, ooh la la, there's all kinds of them. So if anyone knows what these are, can you tell me? Thank you. They look so good, but they could be poisonous. Oh, and they're everywhere in here. Interesting. Okay, I have some goldenrod right up here. I want to show you guys. Goldenrod too. Wow. The leaves are great for kidney stones. For animals with kidney stones. For dogs especially. Here's another white pine. She's a baby. See? 5 needles. Goldenrod, there she is. Here's the beautiful goldenrod. If your dog sniffs this, if your dog's out in a walk with you and sniffs this plant, here it is here, goldenrod, and wants to eat the leaves, let the dog do that, because it's medicine. Animals know when they're sick, and if your dog wants to eat the goldenrod leaves, most likely because they're having kidney problems. It will eliminate kidney stones from their belly, and it'll just pass them really nicely without any pain. Ooh, look at the berries. So yeah, that was goldenrod. Oh, I want to show you one of my favorite looking trees. Red cedar. Pretty cool looking. Neat looking tree. Some wild lavender here. She's looking beautiful. We know what lavender does. It's there for anxiety. This was all Boogle. Boogle's gone. And the craziest thing, I don't have any valerian root or valerian on this property at all. And one valerian is sticking out of my pond. Look at her! What a gift. She's right down there. She's right in the ground. I just noticed her today. I was like, hi, where did you come from? So that's some of my medicinal plants on my property here. And this, of course, is all full of medicine. The grass is all full of medicine. There's so much stuff down in here. Plantain. I don't usually mow my lawn, but I did mow some of my lawn. And I noticed as I was mowing that I mowed over a mullein. But she's coming back. There she is there. Hello, I'm sorry I mowed you, but you're coming back. So, here's some mullein. Yeah. Maybe I'll take it across the street. So this is St. John's Wort. So here they are, St. John's Wort. I got a whole bunch over in the field too. Here she is. Ooh la la. So you'll know her by. I'm just gonna break one off. I can show you better. Over here. Okay. Whew. So here she is. Yellow flower. 5 petals. And in the middle, see how that has that burst? My camera's not great, guys. But it has this burst out of the center of the 5 petals, like the sunshine. Because this is vitamin D. Pure vitamin D. How you're gonna know you have her is you're gonna take a little bud off, squeeze the bud between your fingers, and if it goes red like that, you know you have St. John's Wort with the proper one. So there she is. So that's enough of this today because that was a long video. Thanks for sticking with me, guys. I hope this helps you identify some plants in your yard or beside your yard, side of the road, in a field. Go get the medicine. Summer's only here for so long. Store up on this stuff. Ooh, look at her. Sunshine.